Okay, when we last left off, I was saying that developing a website, it gives you new perspective on how we could classify disorder. However, like for your certain topics, it might be a different, so we can give you basically. So, in conclusion with this video, I can say that developing your own website is a lot of fun. It's also going to be a little tricky, but you're still going to get the hang of it. And I just like to say thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation. And just to inform you, this is just like a draft. I'm thinking of updating it a bit, so I'm thinking like putting the text box, fixing a little bit of header, that kind of stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this presentation. Thank you, and have a good day.